All right, language explorers, let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So, nice. Nice. Something pleasant and lovely to be around. So, nice. Here we are. Nice. Nice. So, it is a nice house. We have some nice flowers. Yeah, nice flowers. We read a nice book. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah. Nice. Do you always have nice ideas? Yes. She always has something nice to say about them. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. These were nice places to visit. Yeah, I have been to that city before. It is a nice place. I would go again. Yeah, very good. Did you see the nice horse? Yes, it was a very tall, nice and elegant horse. Yeah. How nice are you? How nice are you? Very nice or not nice? I like talking to these nice people. Yes. Talking with those nice people is always a good experience. Yeah. How cool is that? So, when are they going to be nice? When are you going to be nice? Why don't you try being nice for a change? Why don't you try being nice for a change? Yeah. Being a nice person could be good for you. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, nice. Yeah. They are nice. She thinks she is nice. She thinks she is nice. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use nice in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian. English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.